put your fruit bag in order.
It doesn't need to be in order. It's a bag of fruit. A couple days ago, we began to explore sets. A big difference between them and lists and tuples is that they're unordered inherently. So it's like you're working with a bag of items and you don't necessarily know when you try to grab the first one what that's going to be. So you can't rely on any order like you can with lists and tuples. You can check if an item is in a set by saying, for instance, if apples is in fruits. Or you can also iterate through a set. You just can't guarantee that you know the order it's going to iterate through, but you can still say, for item in fruits, print item. That's totally fine, just don't assume you know the order, okay? But while sets don't have indices, they have something else very special instead. They have unions and intersects. And you can think of these as components of a Venn diagram. Say we have a list of foods that Lenny likes and a list of food that David likes, and we want to see if there's any overlap between foods that we both like. And that would be the intersect of our two sets, the stuff that we have in common. You can simply type Lenny Foods .intersect and then David Foods, and what you'll get back is a new set that's the intersection of our two sets. And you're probably realizing already the intersection is just a method for the set object. Good job, good job. Python has decided to treat us with a brand new operator we can use instead of the intersection method. So you can actually just write Lenny Foods ampersand David Foods, and that'll return the intersection. It's a lot less typing, and let's be real, it looks a lot cooler. Now, if we get back to our Venn diagram, what if we want a combination of all the foods that I like, all the foods that Lenny likes, and all the foods that we both like together? So all the foods available in this Venn diagram. Well, we would use the union method. So you would simply say Lenny Foods .union David Foods, and you get all the foods that either of us or both of us like. And now you're probably wondering, well, is there a special operator for that? There is, don't worry. It's the pipe operator. So that's that long line key on your keyboard that you probably don't use that often. So you can use that to say union.